Hello friend, my name is Manjula Singh and today I am going to explain you about two universal law, that is law of rhythm and law of relativity. So before that I would like to say that please subscribe my channel, like, share and comment on my video. So everything happens in its own time. This universal law states that everything vibrate and move to a certain rhythm. This rhythm establish a season, cycle, stages of development or pattern. This law of rhythm embodies the truth that everything is moving to and from, flowing in, flowing out, moving backward and moving forward. Ecclesiastes say there is a time set for birth, time set for death, time set for planting a tree, time set for pulling out a tree, time set for getting hurt, time set for getting healed. This can be seen in the observation, that is rising and setting of the sun and moon. You can't be happy all the time, and no one does. If you did, you won't know it. The lower feelings are about that which permit us to enjoy the higher feelings. The reason is that the season move from continuous flow of summer to winter. Everything's move in a circle or move in a pattern or in a rhythm. So only master know how to rise above negative part of a cycle by not getting too excited and not letting that negative thoughts to penetrate their consciousness. So there are always low and highs in the life. We have to maintain an emotional balance in nature. We should see that our thoughts don't swing too left or too right or too far. So just be relaxed and happy and wait for the perfect time. Second, the universal law of relativity. It says that everything is relative. Nothing is good or bad. It's all relative. Something which seems as a problem to us might be a solution to someone else. Suppose your house is bigger than your neighbor's, but smaller than your sister's house. So, is the house big or small? It's just relative. Other example is that, for example, if you are not able to perform well in certain task, but other person is good, so don't compare yourself to that person. You are in this way. You are using this law of relativity against yourself. Begin to use this law of relativity for your benefit. That is, for heightening your self-esteem. That's how you will get aware of how special you are. As we already know that from the past universal law that we should be grateful and positive in our thinking. So why don't you compare yourself from those persons whose situation is worse than yours? If you do so, you will find that you are more positive and grateful for what you have and what you are. Quit comparing yourself to your brother who may be stronger, faster or make more money than you, because you are more compassionate or you have more friends and you are more lovable. So don't compare. Again, every work can be done by someone else. Like everything which you are not in good can be performed well by other person, and some work are there which you can perform well unlike other person. So you should be yourself and quit comparing yourself to other person. Okay, so this is what the law of relativity say. Thank you and have a nice day.